After getting a lot of hate on social media for revealing her father, Tuguegarao Mayor Jefferson Soriano wasn't in the city when Typhoon Ulysses struck. Socialite and businesswoman Bea Soriano Dee spearheaded a fundraising drive for the typhoon victims with her sister, professional volleyball player Bea Soriano. Both girls have deleted their post about the mayor's birthday. Instead, they have these on their Instagram accounts. Bea is a co-founder of the company Sunny Studios, which has offered this donation. A netizen, however, called this damage control.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.